Hello friends, today I will teach you the cost and work accounting third, in which the chapter number 7, that is a cost accounting record rule and cost audit. Cost auditor and their appointment. A cost accountant in a practice or a firm of cost accountants can be appointed as a cost auditor. Second is a cost accountant holding certificate or of a practice or part-time basis is not entitled to conduct cost audit. Thus, only a cost accountant in a whole-time practice can be conduct a cost audit. Then we will see the disqualification of cost auditor. A person cannot be qualified for appointment as a cost auditor of a company if he, according to the subsection 2, is a disqualified for appointment of a cost auditor of any other company that is a subsidiary of that company or holding company of that company or the subsidiary of that company's holding company. Then we will see the rights and duty of cost auditor according to the section 233b subsection 4 of the Companies Act 1956. The cost auditor shall have the same power and duties in relation to an audit conducted by him under this section as an auditor of the company has under section 227 subsection 1, and such auditor shall make his report to the central government in such a form and within such a time as may be prescribed, and shall also at the same time forward a copy of the report to the company. Thus, the cost auditor has the same right and power as that financial auditor. The rights and power of the cost auditor may be summarized as follows. First one is a right of access at all time to the book of account and voucher of a company, whether kept at the head office of the company or elsewhere. Second one is a right to require and receive from the officer of a company such information and explanation as he may think necessary for the successful performance of his duty as a cost auditor of the company. Then next one is a right to visit a branch office and factories of the company and to receive proper returns thereupon as may be necessary for the conduct of his cost audit. Then next one is a right to receive such cost accounting records, cost statement and other book and papers as would be necessary for cost audit within 90 days of the financial year of the company. Then next one is a right to seek and enjoy assistance and facilities from company so that he can successfully complete his audit. Then next one is a right to receive notice and to attend the general meeting of the company. A right to have been technical and legal advice when necessary in connection with his work of a cost audit. Then next one is a right to sign on the cost audit report and the right to send his report to the central government as well as to the company. Then we will see the duties of cost auditor, the provision of the Companies Act, the cost audit report rules of the Cost and Work Accounting Act and regulation, the different law that are applicable on particular companies or the company's government. The duties of cost auditor. The duties may be described as a follows. Then, in which first is a he should submit his cost audit report to the central government within 180 days from the end of the company's financial year to which such report relate, and copy of said report to the company. Then next one is he should clearly state in his report that he has obtained all the information and explanation relating to the cost account which to the best of his knowledge and he believe were necessary for the purpose of the cost audit. Then next one is a proper cost accounting records are required under the relevant cost accounting records rules have been kept by the company. The next one is a proper returns adequate for the purpose of its cost audit has been issued from the branches not visited by him. The next one is that the farm and record kept by the company give the information in the manner required by the Companies Act and In his opinion, the company's cost accounting records have been properly kept so as to give the true and fair view of the cost production, processing, manufacturing, or mining activities and marketing of the product. Then third one is he should also qualify his report to the extent of differ where he is not satisfied with any of the provision started above. In which first is that he should, if he is a consider it is necessary after submission of his report, submit the supplementary report to the central government before the uh, date fixed or the following the annual general meeting of the company limited, so the extent of reconciliation of the cost statement within the company's financial account. The next one is he should assist the government in the later investigation process being launched of the being launched for the examine the affairs to the company. The next one is he should keep record of the various error or omission and commission done by the client staff. Next one is he should give necessary advice to the company about the irregularities in the maintenance of the and recording of cost account book and statement. Then next one is he should understand and appraise the company's policies and procedures and system adapted to the purpose of controlling wastage and inefficiencies. 9.1 is that he should see and ensure that what other exceptional duties are caused upon him by the article of the company. Next one is that he should own his duty of care primarily to the company, act honestly and sincerely, and maintain the secrecy and confidentiality of his client. And lastly, he has a continuing duty to meaningful his professional knowledge and skill at the level of conductive or to act as a cost auditor competitively. Thank you.